Hi, this is Tracy from DIY Domination. Do you ever find yourself struggling with time-consuming makeup routines? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy everyday makeup routine designed to enhance your natural features and provide a polished look without eating up your precious time. Imagine stepping out of your home, radiating confidence with a fresh and elegant look, done in a fraction of the time it usually takes. This routine is not about transforming you into someone else, but about highlighting the beauty that's already there. We'll be guiding you through a series of simple steps, from preparing your skin to applying the perfect amount of blush, and even to those final touches that make all the difference. The best part? This routine is adaptable, meaning you can adjust the intensity of each step to suit your preferences and the occasion. So, are you ready to simplify your makeup routine? Let's get started. First things first, always start with a clean and moisturized face. Now, why is this important? Well, think of your skin as a canvas. You wouldn't want to start painting on a dirty, rough canvas, would you? The same principle applies to your skin. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser. This will remove any dirt, oil, and impurities that have accumulated on your skin. After cleansing, it's time to hydrate. Apply your regular moisturizer to help replenish your skin's natural moisture. But we're not quite ready to dive into the makeup just yet. It's crucial to let your moisturizer absorb into the skin for a few minutes. This patience will pay off, I promise. It allows your skin to fully soak in the hydration, creating a smooth, plump base for your makeup. Remember, a clean and hydrated base is the key to flawless makeup. So take your time with this step. Your skin will thank you later. Next, we move on to primer and foundation. Now, primer isn't a must-have for everyone, but it's a game changer if you want your makeup to last longer. Think of it as the base that helps your makeup stick to your skin. It creates a smooth canvas and minimizes the appearance of pores. If you notice your makeup wearing off quickly in certain areas like your T-zone, a dab of primer there can work wonders. Moving on to foundation. This isn't about transforming your skin, but enhancing your natural complexion. Choose a foundation or a tinted moisturizer that matches your skin tone. Now here's a pro tip. Always test the color on your jawline, not your hand, to find the perfect match. Applying foundation doesn't have to be complicated. You can use a foundation brush, a makeup sponge, or even your fingers. The key is to blend, blend, blend. Start from the center of your face and blend outwards, making sure to cover your forehead, nose, and chin. Now, if you're a fan of light, natural makeup, you don't need to cover every inch of your face with foundation. Focus on areas with redness or uneven skin tone. When it comes to the type of foundation, it's all about your personal preference and skin type. If you have dry skin, a hydrating liquid foundation can be your best friend. For those with oily skin, a mattifying foundation can help control shine. The goal is to achieve a natural second skin look. You want people to notice your beautiful skin, not your foundation. And remember, less is more. A light layer of foundation or tinted moisturizer is usually enough for an everyday look. To finish off, make sure your foundation is well blended into your neck to avoid any harsh lines. And there you have it, foundation done right. With the right foundation, your skin will have a smooth and even tone. In our next segment, we'll talk about how to use concealer and setting powder to further enhance your complexion. Okay, now let's tackle any little imperfections with concealer and setting powder. The magic of makeup comes shining through in the form of our trusty concealer. This little wonder product is your go-to for covering up blemishes, redness, or those pesky dark circles under your eyes. It's like your own personal magician, making sure your skin looks flawless and even-toned. Applying concealer is a delicate art. You want to dab it on, not rub. Use a small, flat brush to apply the concealer directly onto any spots or discolored areas. Then, gently pat the product in with your fingertip or a makeup sponge. Remember, the goal here is to blend it seamlessly with your foundation or tinted moisturizer. Choosing the right shade of concealer is also crucial. For blemishes and redness, go for a shade that matches your skin tone or your foundation. For under-eye circles, however, a slightly lighter shade works best to brighten up the area. Now, onto the setting powder. This is another star player in your makeup routine. It's the invisible net that holds everything in place. A translucent setting powder is your best bet, as it goes well with any skin tone and doesn't interfere with the color of your foundation or concealer. Lightly dust the setting powder all over your face, focusing on your T-zone and any areas that tend to get oily. Use a large, fluffy brush for this. The idea is not to pack on the powder, but to lightly set your makeup, giving it that smooth, velvety finish. Remember, less is more when it comes to setting powder. Too much can make your skin look dry and cakey. Just a light dusting is enough to set your makeup and keep it in place, and there you have it. With your concealer and setting powder, your makeup base is set and ready for the next step. You're now well on your way to achieving that perfect, polished look that enhances your natural beauty. In the next section, we'll delve into eye makeup and how to make those peepers pop. Let's move on to the eyes, starting with the eyebrows. Eyebrows frame your face and can drastically change your look, so they're an important part of any makeup routine. To define your brows, you'll need either a brow pencil or a powder. If you're a beginner, a pencil might be easier to control. Choose a color that's 1 to 2 shades lighter than your natural brow color for a softer, more natural look. Start by brushing your brows into place with a spoolie brush, then use your pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas. Follow the natural shape of your brows and remember they're sisters, not twins, so they don't need to match perfectly. Once your brows are done, it's time for eyeshadow. For an everyday look, stick to neutral shades like browns, taupes, and creams. These colors will add depth and definition without being too dramatic. Start by applying a light, shimmery shade all over your eyelid from lash line to brow bone. This will brighten your eyes and create a base for the rest of your eyeshadow. Next, take a slightly darker shade and apply it to your crease, blending it well to avoid harsh lines. This will add depth to your eyes and make them pop. Eyeliner is optional, but if you choose to use it, keep it simple. Use a pencil to lightly line your upper lash line, staying as close to your lashes as possible. This will make your lashes look fuller and more defined. Finally, apply a coat of mascara to your lashes. Start at the base of your lashes and wiggle the brush as you sweep it upward. This will help separate your lashes and prevent clumping. And just like that, your eyes are beautifully defined. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first few tries don't turn out exactly as you'd like. With a little patience and persistence, you'll be a pro in no time. We're almost done. Now let's add some color with blush and lip product. Let's start with the blush, the magic wand that brings a natural flush of color to your face. Go for a shade that mimics the natural color of your cheeks after a light workout or a brisk walk in the cold. Apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending it gently towards your temples. This will give your face a warm, healthy glow, as if you've just returned from a lovely day outdoors. Moving on to the lips, the choice of color can truly transform your look. Whether you prefer a nude lipstick for a subtle finish or a natural lip gloss for a touch of shine, the key is to choose a shade that complements your overall look. Remember, your lips are the finishing touch to your makeup, so take your time to apply the product carefully. Now, for those who want their makeup to last throughout the day, here's an optional step. A makeup setting spray can be your best friend. This magic mist helps to lock in your makeup, preventing it from smudging or fading away. Just a few spritzes and you're good to go. Finally, take a moment to check your makeup. Look for any smudges or uneven areas and make minor adjustments if needed. Don't rush this step. It's important to ensure everything is blended properly and looking flawless. And there you have it. A quick and easy everyday makeup routine that enhances your natural beauty without being overly time-consuming. Remember, makeup is a form of expression, so feel free to adjust the intensity of each step to suit your preferences and the occasion. The most important thing is that you feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. After all, true beauty comes from within.